were started in 1966. We were part of the War on Poverty. The idea in those days was that poor people needed lawyers to defend their rights. And the idea was that you could have a legal aid for farm workers, the rural poor. And so CRLA has done that over these last 50 years.
So what we started to see was these little communities who were missing your basic infrastructure. And so the idea was that these communities should have equity, I think, because it's really unfair, just at the bottom line, to have people living in these conditions in a state that is so wealthy and so rich and that can provide so much more if only it wanted to. And so we were out into this community to give a presentation. We talked to residents, and right after that presentation, a group of them came up to us and said, "Can you help us?"
Well, we came into contact with one of the members of the Fresno office. We didn't have anybody there to advocate for the community at that time. We have an elementary school that is about a mile down from the neighborhood. Our children cannot ride their bikes to school or even walk to school because of the traffic. So we were able to, with the help of CRLA, look for funds to get a pathway to school, which has been done, and now I will expect construction within the next year or so. Well, I see my community growing. It's a little different today than it was 3 years ago. People are starting to see the change, wanting to become a little more involved. Now they realize, no, that we're there to help them. We're there to advocate for all the things that they need. So we're very lucky to have associated ourselves with CRLA.
And so for me, being able to work with these communities and to see these individual residents grow into leaders, grow into advocates who can speak on behalf of their own communities and get the results that they need for their communities is really inspiring to me.